As of March 24, 2024, Call of Duty Warzone Mobile does not feature an in-game system for redeeming codes. If you possess a code for the game, you'll need to follow the instructions provided by the source of the code. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to redeem codes in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Identify the code source. Determine where you obtained the code, whether it was from a website, social media promotion, or included with a purchase. Check for specific instructions. Look for redemption instructions accompanying the code. These may involve visiting a particular website, using an app, or following other steps depending on the source. General code redemption. In the absence of specific instructions, exercise caution with websites claiming to offer workarounds for code redemption. These methods may not be endorsed by the game developers and could pose a risk to your account security. It's advisable to wait for an official redemption method from Call of Duty. Stay updated. Keep abreast of announcements from official Call of Duty channels, websites, and social media regarding the implementation of a code redemption system within Warzone Mobile. Tips for viewers. Advise viewers to be wary of websites promising universal code redemption for Warzone Mobile. If uncertain about a code's legitimacy, it's best not to enter it anywhere and await official information from Call of Duty. By adhering to these guidelines, viewers can mitigate frustration and potential risks associated with unverified code redemption methods.